I've always been a hands-on kind of person. As an apprentice toolmaker, my daily activities consist of servicing, repairing, maintaining all the tools, and I also do like a little bit of welding, surface grinding, turning on the lathe, manual milling.
On her interview, her enthusiasm came across, and actually in her role, she brings that enthusiasm with her. She's very willing to learn new skills. Doing the project she's working with me on, developing our quality lab, is already saving the business money.
In the future, I'd really like to become multi-skilled, so when I finish my tool making course, I'm probably going to move on to mechanical fittings, and then hopefully, eventually, like in a few years' time, when I've got to know a bit more about the factory, I'd like to possibly go into a manager's role. To win the award would be absolutely amazing. I'd really like to inspire other young women into manufacturing and engineering because it's such a great career, it's fantastic.
As a production engineer, my day-to-day activities vary a lot. I am attending stakeholder meetings in the morning where I can assess any engineering problems that have happened over the day shift or the previous night shift. I'm also the on-site paint specialist. My other responsibilities are an AutoCAD engineer where I work on layouts for each of the individual bays as well as the overall site layout. Once I complete my level 3, I'm hoping to go on to HNC or HND. I'd also like to increase my knowledge on lean manufacturing and project management and become a more all-round engineer.
He has a real thirst for knowledge. He's had a real career change, and this actual thirst for knowledge is apparent in everything what he does. His approach to problem solving is really unique, and I'm really excited to see him grow and develop further. Unfortunately, Sam lost his mother this year, and through this difficult time, Sam showed a lot of resolve and determination to obviously deal with that very personal issue, but actually continue with his engineering and really develop himself. I'm ever so proud of the work what he's done, so I'm sure his mother will be.
My role at Boeing Sheffield is I manufacture several different components for the 737 aircraft programme. Working at Boeing is my first job, and I think I couldn't ask for a much better first job than this. There's so many opportunities here.
Since day one, Jordan's impressed us all with his attitude to his work. He has applied himself, he's worked really hard to learn lots of the processes and the machines that we use here. And on top of that, he's getting really good grades at the training centre, and he's a great guy to work with.
I've got the utmost respect for the MRC training centre, because when I first joined them, I had very basic knowledge of engineering, but from the first year onwards, I've gained theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge on things such as CNC turners, CNC milling. It's been brilliant. Loved every minute of it. Met good friends, and the experiences will live for me forever. I'm coming to the end of my apprenticeship, but hopefully I can move on to maybe further education, maybe into a different job role such as team leading or a manufacturing engineer.